Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So, friends, in this video, I will tell you how we can use AI technology to make videos for our YouTube channel. Guys, making videos with AI technology is so easy that kids on YouTube are making videos for their YouTube channel using this technology. Friends, to make a video using AI technology, these two things will be required. Number 1 is the script. Number 2 is our character. So, friends, you have to write the script according to your topic. Friends, after preparing the script, you will need a character. Friends, you can create characters on their own, and if you want, we can also take it from the website on which we are going to make this video. A character will also be found there. You will also find the character there. Friends, in this video, I will tell you about how we can make our character, and how can you use pre-woven characters. So guys, start the video. Before starting the video, there is a request from you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and set all, so that the notification of every new video can reach up. So, friends, you have to visit this website. The name of this website and the link to this website will be found within 5 seconds of the last. Friends, after coming to this website, you have to sign up in this website. After signing up, the website looks something like this.
Okay, friends, so let's get started.
After entering this website, the first thing to do is to click on Avatar. As soon as you click on the avatar, you will see many characters created already. You have to select a character of your choice. And yes, if you want, you can edit the character as per your wish. Click on the character to edit the character. Click on the 3 dots icon in the upper right corner of the character and edit the character. Now, friends, a window has opened in front of you. Friends, you are seeing the character on the left side, and all the details of the character are on the right side. The character's name is listed first in the character details. You can change the name of the character as per your wish. Enters next view mode. Guys, in view mode, you get 3 options. Number 1, half body. Number 2, close up. Number 3, circle. A preview of the view mode will appear along the left side of the character. The next option is outfit. From here, you can also select the clothes of your choice. After selecting your friend's character clothes, the next option is face shape. In face shape, you can select any face from the given faces, and if you want, you can also upload your face. If you want to upload your custom fee, click on Upload. Select any picture of your choice. Friends, after uploading the picture, it will look something like this. Click on the uploaded picture to apply the picture to the character. Friends, as soon as you click on the uploaded picture, the facial expression of the character has changed on the character side. Friends, after selecting the character's face shape, the next option is voice. Friends, where it says voice, it says Luna Natural. Luna Natural is a voiceover speaker. Friends, if you want, you can select any other speaker instead of Luna Natural. So guys, click on Luna Natural. After clicking on Luna Natural, you will be taken to the speaker library of this website. In the speakers library, you change the languages, genders, and some filters. Friends, after applying the filter, you can select the character you want and listen to the preview of his voice. Friends can listen to Up Preview by selecting the play button on the right side of any speaker to listen to the preview. Friends, after listening to the preview, select your desired voice. Click on the voice to select the voice. Friends, after clicking on the voice speaker of your choice, you will go back to the avatar editing page. After entering the editing page, see in the voice section, you can adjust both the speed and pitch of the voice you have selected. After adjusting the pitch and speed of the speaker, click on Listen to the speaker. You can also listen to the preview of this speaker. Friends, after listening to the voice preview, you can see on the top of this page that there is a Save as New button. So, friends, click on the Save as New button and save it as a new character. Friends, as soon as you save it as new, you will reach the avatar page of this website. Friends, you will find your edited character on the avatar page. Friends, this character was already there on the website, we just edited it. But friends, here comes the question. How to create our character with our face? So guys, Howto has a solution for this problem. Friends, to create your avatar or your character, we will need a number of our pictures. Okay, so I have an image that I will use to create my character. So friends, you have to go to the home page of the same website. On the home page, you will get the option of making a taking photo video. After clicking on the Make a Talking Video option, you will get the option of Upload Talking Photo on the right side of the page. Click on Upload Talking Photo and select a photo of your choice to create your character or avatar. Once the photo is uploaded, you will find it in the Make a Talking Photo video option. Click on the uploaded picture, then click on the Edit button. Friends, after putting it in the Edit section, you can change its name, remove the background, and change its resolution. After that, you can set any view mode you want in the view mode. It gives a voice option after mode. Select your desired voice speaker in the voice option and adjust both its speed and pitch to your liking. After editing the avatar properly, click on Save as New to save it as a new avatar. After saving as new, you will go to the avatar page. After entering this page, after that, you have to go to My Avatar option. You will find your newly created avatar in the Talking Photos section. You have to select your character or avatar. Click on Create Video. After clicking on Create Video, a page like this will open in front of you. After going to this page, you can see above that there will be a circle and you can change the background of the video by clicking on it. You will see a box icon on the left side of the circle. Click on this box to select landscape or portrait for your video. Friends, at the bottom of this page, you will see the text script. In the text script option, you will already see a script that starts from the welcome. You have to delete this welcome script and paste your custom script in its place, which you will use in your video. Friends, at the bottom of this page, you will see your avatar in the timeline. You will see a play button on the left side of the timeline. By pressing the play button, you can listen to your script in easy audio. As soon as friends play the script, you will get a warning show at the top. The purpose of this warning is to mean that playing the script will not animate your avatar. Your avatar will animate after submitting the video. Okay, friends, to submit the video, you have to go to the top right side of the same page and you will find the Submit button. You have to submit it. Friends, as soon as you click on the Submit button, you will go to the page of the videos. After going to the page of the videos, you can see in the section of personal items that your video is reading. You can see that your video is getting ready. It will take some time to get ready. After the video is ready, you will find it on the video page. Click on your video. Friends, if you want, you can click on the video and you will see a download button with 3 dots above the video. Another option is to download videos. From there, you can download the video. In the right side center of the page, you will find the download option. Friends, click on the download button to download the video on your mobile and save it. Friends, play the video after downloading it. Friends, you can see the watermark of the website on the right side below the video. So guys, I will show you how to remove the watermark of this website. Guys, you need a video editor to remove the watermark from the video. Friends, I have installed a video editor on my mobile called VN Video Editor, which you can easily get from the Play Store. Friends, you have to open the VN Video Editor. After opening, you have to go to a new project and select your video. Friends, after selecting the video has to be imported. After importing the video, click on the Tap to add a sticker. Select the Video Photos section, then select the photo. Friends, select any photo from here. I select my YouTube channel logo, then reduce the size of this logo and place it above the website watermark and export the video. Guys, the video looks something like this after export. Friends, if you like the video, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yes, website name is Hagen AI. Friends, you can create a 1-minute video with an email on the Hagen website for free. Friends, you must have understood. The more emails, the more videos. Friends, again, I am requesting you to support us. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.